Hello guys, today we are here for a Spoj question, and this Spoj question we have to figure out. Let me imagine the screen. So here we have to find out how many movements are required to make this given string as balanced string. So let me show you. So let's suppose you are given this string. So how many movements you need to make this string as balance string? So first you have to change to first opening braces and then second to closing braces. So here the number of movements you require here is 2. In the second step we require 0 movement, and similarly in the third step we require just 1 movement. So how we are going to approach this question is let's see. So let's see first. Suppose the given string is as the user input string, and now let the loop start from 0 till I less than s dot length, and now I plus plus. So what we are going to do is we are going to use two variables, one c1 and another c2, and what we are going to do, let's see. uh, if one concept you need to be aware of is that whenever there is a string of opening and closing braces, so firstly you will get to encounter the opening braces in case of balanced string, and then only the closing braces is going to be encountered. So firstly if you encounter this closing braces, so you know already the string is imbalanced and you are going to change this closing braces to opening braces. So this I was trying to that you need to be aware of this. So let's write down the code here. So if s of I is equal to the opening braces, so here is no problem. So we can see that string might be balanced or string might not be balanced. So in C1 we are going to increase the value. So C1 plus plus, else this may be not the condition. So if s of I is equal to the closing braces, sorry, is equal to the closing braces, so this might be balanced or might not be balanced. But in case there is, suppose C1 is greater than 0, then we are sure that the string is balanced. So what we do is just C1 minus minus, as we are in C1 we are storing the imbalanced braces, so we're going to reduce the C1 as it's balanced. Now another thing we are going to write is, let me copy the same thing here. Sorry. So here one more case will be there, that if C1 is equal to this and C1 is equal to 0, so we cannot make it negative. So here what we are going to do is assign a value C1 is equal to 1. I'm telling you now why it is going to be assigned. Just hold a second, and we are going to increase C2 because one time we have encountered 0, and here we are going to write C1 equal to 1 as here we have encountered this braces first, then we are going to change this braces, closing braces to opening braces. For this the count of opening braces is 1, so we are going to change C1 equal to 1. Now the answer would be uh, C out C1 C2 would be the answer, plus C1 divided by 2. I hope you understand why it is C1 divided by 2, as suppose an extra reason I put. So if we have encountered some string, uh, the leftover string in C1 is half of them are going to be their opposite pairs. So here we are using C2. Now here, in one more thing, you need to encounter that there are infinite number of test cases till where minus sign is encountered. So for this, um, we'll write one variable t, which is equal to 1. Let's start, and we are going to use an infinite loop using while 1. Okay, this loop will run infinite number of times until and unless we are going to break this loop. And when we are going to break this loop, if s of 0 is equal to caret of minus sign, so then we are going to break this loop. And one more thing, you need to be aware that how we have to print your answer. So answer need to be printed as this 1 2 3. So here we are going to use our t variable, t in space dot, and then again space. So here let's compile the code. Code is getting compiled. Let me paste the answers. See, 201. Oh, sorry, I've not increased t value by 1. So t plus plus. Now the code is perfectly correct to be submitted.